What makes a dad wake up at 4 a.m. so he can build a better life for his kids? What makes soldiers risk their lives so our country can be safe? What makes a teenager not use drugs? A neighbor help a neighbor. A new American place her hand over her heart and pledge allegiance. What unites them all? A way of life called conservatism. Conservatism is freedom. The idea that government should improve our lives, not run our lives. Conservatism means government doing less so that we can do more. It means more take-home pay and lower energy costs. Less government means more for our families and for every American to have more opportunity than ever before. Conservative, who we are, where we're from, and where we need to go.
No law can create character. Compassion doesn't come from an executive order. These conservative values come from within. To drive our success, give direction to our service and giving, and build a foundation of freedom. So every person, every generation has the tools to choose their own future. Conservative, who we are, where we're from, and where we need to go.